government na program kaya paikhat liba amasung schemes kaya piriba sining thina paikhatuna district fachana development laihanba amasung braja singki yaifanaba Ukhrul da ahanba waina district administration na unlocking Ukhrul mote kauba implementation concept role mote ama puthoki concept basi Ukhrul ki deputy commissioner assistant san puthokpa mote oi mote si ki moru oiba concept ti readiness for development change from within amasung government bo over dependence tawri basi hanthana sini unlocking Ukhrul mote si ki pilot project oina Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme gi makhada 300 kilometers lampi repairing amasung renovate tawba hauri Ukhrul zila manung ta leiba khun amasung lekai mayam Christmas nangnapa lampi repairing ningthina tawtuna lei Unlocking Ukhrul mote puthokpa amasung siki central concept ki matang da Ukhrul ki deputy commissioner assistant na shumhai
Unlocking Ukhrul model, it's based on village. It's the Gandhian idea of village republic. So based on each village, there is one or the other thing which I have mentioned earlier, which is very unique and the village can be known of. Renovation of this road under NREG, 300 kilometer of renovation of this is just a pilot project. It's like many more has to be done. It's basically the villages have to come up with their dream, like what they wanted to achieve. In after 20 years, my village have these kind of facilities. So that based on that, like everyone see 100 villages are developed independently, then what kind of impact it will make through to the whole district. So that is the idea. So villages have to come up with their own village action plan, and we are here to help them, and we are trying to find ways and means on how to make those dreams into reality. So timeline is not fixed as of now, because like before that I have to meet all the villages and I have to make them aware what about this. And then it has to come from them. We are just a facilitator. So that like maybe like within 1 year, if we can compile all these documents and if we can set all the village action plan and the block action plan and the district action plan, then what we can do is like whenever a new program comes, like we can incorporate these dreams into these schemes. So it will be much easier. We are prepared.
Gandhian model of village republic Gram Swaraj the pace Tauraga Paikat Katapa, unlocking Ukhrul model sining Tina implement Taurati, 1972 the Shelley Tuvar Amazon Robert Wickland the Puthokpa, Yam na popular oiba self-awareness theory si, Braja Singbu practical way na Papta Hanba Kaknatana, positive change Amazon, holistic development kaya lakhan pangam kani haina taji. Loina na model si Ukhrul zila Kaknatana, Manipur ki mapam atay Singbushu Paikat Bayai. Hochiti haupatang ay ribanina MTA and RHS ki makata lampi repairing tau riba sinatana success or otherwise analyze tau na bakarishu laitre hai bayai. Unlocking Ukhrul motel si ki success oiba amasung oita basi Ukhrul zila ki public ki khut yam le. Matam na tum utlak lagani public cooperation amasung district administration ki achum bakhongchat. Hochik magdi district administration dedicatedly amasung strategically implement tau na pa hotna tuna le loina na Ukhrul zila ki khun mayam devotedly cooperation pi tuna le.